Hello, welcome to this live weekly ScandiPWA Cloud community session with agencies. It's Alex here today, and today we are going to speak about ScandiPWA Cloud. We've received a lot of questions. What is ScandiPWA Cloud? What are the benefits? So we decided to spend this session today to cover this topic. And before we begin to talk about ScandiPWA Cloud, let me introduce myself. Some of you may already know me as I'm leading the partnership stream here at ScandiPWA, but in case you don't know, I'm also working in marketing and communications. And in case you have any questions regarding ScandiPWA or ScandiPWA Cloud partnerships, feel free to send me an email. Okay, so during this webinar today, we are going to talk about what is ScandiPWA Cloud, what are the benefits. I will showcase you some examples of sites that are already built on top of ScandiPWA Cloud solution, as well as I will demonstrate how quickly it is possible to customize your store. But before we jump into the presentation part, let's define what is ScandiPWA Cloud. So basically, ScandiPWA Cloud is a service that is offering a cloud-hosted store powered by ScandiPWA theme. Basically, with ScandiPWA Cloud, you can get a fully running, ready-to-use store with Magento backend and PWA frontend. Basically, you will get the same experience as if you take ScandiPWA source code from GitHub and install it on your server. Here, you don't need to spend any resources on setting up servers, installing the theme. You can get your PWA store in just some minutes. And the best part that all these features that are already available out of the box will be available to you. So what you can do is just take the store, customize it as you want, and in a matter of just a couple of hours you will get ready to use, ready to sell store with PWA storefront. Alright, I will demonstrate to you what you will get if you if you get the ScandiPWA Cloud store. Out of the box, the demo will look like this. ScandiPWA support multi-stores. So as you see, we have a US store here and we have a German store. And if I switch from United States to Germany, you will see that I will get a completely different store view. I'll get a completely different store. So you can be as creative as you want and customize your store. And basically, this is how the default template looks like, and you can take it from here and then set up as you want. And I will show you a couple of examples. So here are a couple of links that you're welcome to explore. Just to giving you the understanding of how you can customize your store and what you can get in just a couple of hours or maybe less than an hour. So this is one store. So you can see how fast it works. Okay, let's switch to another store. Here, as you can see, this is totally different industry, different design, but it also runs on top of ScandiPWA Cloud, and you can get this fast experience. Here's another store. Let's try to add this product to the cart. Okay, what I would like to demonstrate here is that not only the store has the basic features, it also supports Klarna payments. So by default in ScandiPWA we have Klarna, PayPal, Braintree, Stripe, and this store is already using Klarna, so you can complete order and proceed. Here's another great example, perfect moment, perfect example. And I will show you how to customize a store a bit later. So as I mentioned, it is a ready-to-use store. At the moment, ScandiPWA supports more than 300 Magento features. This means that all these features that you like in Magento, that you use in Magento, are already available, and we've rewritten it so that it supports the PWA storefront features. In case you missed last week's webinar, our CEO Antons talked about roadmap, and he covered all the features that are already supported by ScandiPWA, and as well as those features that are upcoming and will be released in the first quarter. So in case you missed this video, I will add the link to the description, so feel free to watch it. And also in the description you'll find a link to a PDF document where you can download a complete breakdown of all features that are available, and basically see what you can use right now out of the box. Okay, so if you're working with Magento, setting up a store, customizing a store will not be an issue, since all the backend features, all the backend is already familiar to you. But in case you do not know how to do it, you're not familiar with Magento backend, we have an extended list of tutorials. Here's a list of some video showcases and video tutorials that are already available on our channel. You can find the link in the description. Basically, we are covering the most crucial parts, for example, how to manage CMS pages, how does multi-store works in ScandiPWA, how to customize colors, how to add a menu. Basically, all these features that are necessary for you to set up, to take the default store and set up so that it fits your needs. And here's a list of video tutorials we have right now. I also added a link to ScandiPWA user guide in the description, so make sure to check the user guide as well. Okay, so it's start for a live demo. I will show you my demo page. Okay, so here you can see a very basic demo store. Some products available, some categories. What I would like to demonstrate is how quickly you can customize your store. If you follow the instructions that I just mentioned, you will be able, without any development knowledge, you'll be able to set up a store in just a couple of hours. Okay, so what I would like to do right now is to change colors for this website. I'll open admin. Okay, so colors can be customized. And yeah, by the way, in case you need any help, we have a live chat support here, and Liana, project manager, also webinar host, uh, is here to help you and answer all your questions working with ScandiPWA. Okay, so I go to configuration part. ScandiPWA, color customization. By default, here you will see this setting set as no, but since I already customized colors on my demo store, it's set to yes. So I will just change some colors, save it. Okay. So here you can see colors before I made some edits. Alright, so refresh the page. Yeah, and you already can see that colors changed. Now you can see the new updated look. And this is just one example of how you can customize your site. Basically, you can change anything you want. You can change any block, any image, everything. So we can take the default store and then customize it as you want. Okay, we have a webinar for agencies, and I'm going to share one very useful tip how you can sell PWA to your customer. I just showed you how quickly you can customize a store, and what we found very useful in our experience is that PWA is something everyone is talking about right now, but it's really complicated process to explain all the benefits and showcase all the benefits to a potential user when you try to explain it. We found it very useful to actually demonstrate the capabilities of PWA and ScandiPWA theme as such by just taking the demo store, customizing it, taking your users' images, products, customizing colors. In a couple of hours, you'll be able to set up a store that will have a look and feel as your customer would set it up. And you can showcase all the benefits, you can showcase the speed, you can showcase how this technology everyone is talking about actually works with their products. We found this extremely useful, and you are welcome to claim a free ScandiPWA demo for your agency, for your business. We are very happy to provide you with a demo so that you can play with it and set up as you want. Yes, the next question is how can you actually get your ScandiPWA Cloud instance? Well, good news is that you can get it for free. The link is available in the description. Simply fill in the form and we will provide you with a free demo instance. There are two types of instances available. Yes. So there is a no code access, basically backend access only, so you can get all features available out of the box, and you can customize your store from the backend, as I just demonstrated. And there's another type, full access to source code, will provide you same demo store with all ScandiPWA features available out of the box, plus access to your source code and development environment, so you can play, commit your code, and do whatever you want. Right now, we do not have a publicly available prices. This is something that we are going to introduce in the nearest future. For now, I recommend you to contact us, contact me personally, or fill the form in the description to get your ScandiPWA store. So basically this is it. It was a very brief introduction, and I hope I was able to demonstrate to you and showcase some examples. I'll check if I have some questions here. Okay, I do not see any questions, so feel free to send any questions you have. Here's my email address, and tomorrow we will cover the same topic, but tomorrow we have a webinar for merchants, so we will cover same ScandiPWA Cloud from a bit different perspective. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.